This is the vertical rack mount installation tutorial for 1U power distribution units. This installation tutorial applies to all 1U models. Important notice. Before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and their other related documents. To start, prepare the power distribution unit. 2 short mounting brackets. 8 flat head screws. 1 power cord. Phillips screwdriver with insulated handle. 2 post or 4 post server rack. And the hardware kit provided by the server rack. To secure and organize the power cords, please prepare 1 cord retention tray, 4 round head screws, and cable ties. Install the 2 short mounting brackets onto both sides of the PDU using 4 flat head screws on each side. Then use the hardware provided by the server rack to secure the PDU onto the rack. Tighten 1 screw on each side. To complete the installation, connect the power cord to the PDU and to a UPS system or the utility grid. For cord retention tray installation. First, loosen the screw on the cord retention tray and adjust the length till the screw holes on the tray and the PDU are aligned. Then, attach the cord retention tray to the PDU using 2 round head screws on each side. Tighten the screw on the cord retention tray to fix the right and left pieces of the tray. To complete the installation, connect the power cord to the PDU and to a UPS system or the utility grid. For connected equipment, use the cable ties to secure and organize the power cords. For PDU with IEC receptacles, use the cable ties to secure the power cord from loosening. Insert a cable tie to the upper side of the fixed stand and fasten it. Insert another cable tie to the bottom side of the fixed stand and fasten it to secure the input power cord. For output power cord, insert a cable tie to the upper side of the fixed stand and fasten it to secure the output power cord. The installation is complete.